All right, guys, this brand right here sent me this shirt to review. This is a shirt to go out. I feel like it's like nice enough to just go out on a Sunday or a Saturday night. It's nice and soft, like the design. It has a little collar here. It's not huge, so it's not gonna fold. That's a nice design, simple design. You can pair with shorts, with long pants, white sneakers, or blue sneakers, and it'll look nice and cuffed in the bottom. This is size large. I'm about 190, 5'8". It's kind of tight for my liking. I should have gone extra large, but so you can see, definitely really comfy, really light, nice looking. So check them out. Great price, very well made. You can see the material here. It's very nice cotton. It's really comfy, really cool looking. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.